Pydantic AI leverages TemplateStr and dependency injection to enable dynamic instruction generation, allowing agents to adapt their behavior based on runtime context. By defining a data class as a deps type and passing it to the agent constructor, we are preparing the system to resolve template variables at execution time through a synchronous runsync call. From data classes, import data class. From Pydantic AI import agent, TemplateStr. At data class UserProfile. Name, str. Role, str. Agent equals agent. OpenAI, GPT-5 2. Deps type equals UserProfile. Instructions equals TemplateStr. You are assisting name, who is a role. Result equals agent. Run sync hello. Deps equals UserProfile name equals Alice. Role equals engineer. Print result, output. Hello, how can I help you today? This code demonstrates the use of TemplateStr to inject runtime context into agent instructions, combined with synchronous execution via agent run sync. By defining a deps type on the agent, you establish a contract that ensures the user profile data provided at runtime matches the expected structure, allowing the agent to dynamically adapt its system prompt based on the specific user instance. This approach is ideal for scenarios where agent behavior must be personalized without hard-coding values, as it decouples the instruction logic from the specific user state. Using runsync provides a straightforward way to integrate these agents into synchronous workflows, though it is important to remember that this blocks the event loop, making it best suited for simple scripts or CLI tools rather than high-concurrency production services. Let's break it down line by line. From data classes, import data class. Imports the data class decorator from the standard library to enable the creation of classes that primarily store data. From Pydantic AI import agent, TemplateStr. Imports agent and TemplateStr from the Pydantic AI package to enable the creation of AI agents and the use of dynamic, handlebar-style template strings within agent configurations. At data class UserProfile. Defines a new data class named UserProfile, which serves as a structured container for user-related data. Agent equals agent. Initializes a new Pydantic AI agent instance, serving as the primary container for configuring the LLM interaction, including its instructions, tools, and dependency requirements. OpenAI GPT-5 2. Specifies the OpenAI model identifier GPT-5 2 for use within the agent configuration. Deps type equals UserProfile. Specifies UserProfile as the required dependency type for the agent, enabling static type checking for any data injected into the agent's operations. Instructions equals TemplateStr. You are assisting name, who is a role. Defines static instructions for an agent using a TemplateStr, which dynamically injects name and role values into the system, prompt at runtime based on provided dependencies. Result equals agent. Run sync hello. Deps equals UserProfile name equals Alice. Role equals engineer. Executes the agent synchronously with the prompt hello, providing a UserProfile instance as the runtime dependency for the request. The resulting response is captured in the variable result. Print result, output. Outputs the final generated content from the agent's execution, result to the standard console. By pairing a data class with the agent's dependency type, you establish a formal contract that bridges your application data with the agent's instruction set. The TemplateStr acts as the connective tissue, allowing the agent to resolve those runtime dependencies into dynamic system prompts without requiring hard-coded logic. This pattern effectively decouples your business state from the agent's behavior, ensuring that personalization is handled through structured data injection rather than manual string manipulation. While RunSync provides a convenient entry point for simple workflows, the core power lies in this type-safe dependency injection, which transforms a static agent definition into a context-aware participant in your application.
The agent remains a silent, empty shell until runtime dependencies carve their story into its waiting instructions.